Hi, this is Scott Trudeau, Senior Solutions Consultant with Adobe Education. I would like to show you how to use Content Aware Move. This is a new tool inside Adobe Photoshop CS6. It builds on earlier versions of Content Aware technology. So if you're not familiar with Content Aware technologies, I'm first going to kind of give you a history lesson. So I'm going to select this man using the Lasso Tool. Lasso Tool is found in the left-hand side of Photoshop. It's a very commonly used tool. Notice I'm not even being very careful about my selection. If I hit delete, it's going to pop up and ask me if I would like to use Content Aware Fill. I'm going to click OK. Photoshop analyzes the subject matter within the selection, gets rid of it, fills it in with surrounding material. Now, if you want a more in-depth lesson on Content Aware, I've posted a movie on that earlier. But I'm going to go ahead and revert this because what I'd like to now show you is Content Aware Move. So grouped under the Spot Healing Brush tool, that little band-aid on the left-hand side, if you click and hold down on that tool, you're going to see some other tools that have been grouped with this. One of those tools is the Content Aware Move tool. And it looks like a little X with two arrows. So I'm going to select the Content Aware Move tool. So it works very similar as the Lasso tool. So you're going to take this tool, you're going to lasso around the object, and notice I'm still not being very careful about selecting the person. I'm actually want some material external to our subject. So I'm going to lasso him up using the Content Aware Move tool. And when I'm all done, it simply has a selection around it. Now I place the tool over the subject matter, and I click and I drag to where I want this person to move to, or the object to move to, and it looks like it's created a duplicate until you let go of the mouse. As soon as you let go of the mouse, Photoshop analyzes the surrounding material, gets rid of the first person, and moves him to the new location. From this point, you're going to want to deselect, and that's a Command D or Control T if you're on a PC. So, or you can just choose Select, Deselect. And that is a demonstration on how to use Content Aware Move. Now I recommend also changing your tool back to the Spot Healing Brush tool. I typically use the Spot Healing Brush tool a little bit more often than Content Aware Move. And if you're a new user going through tutorials and you move all your tools around, you'll want to reset that. So that is Content Aware Move, only in Photoshop CS6. So if you'd like to learn more tips, techniques, and tutorials, check out scotttrudeau.com.